number of life support machines are connected to each other, circulating liquids and air in an attempt to mimic a biological structure. The Immortal investigates human dependence on electronics, the desire to make machines replicate organisms, and our perception of anatomy as reflected by biomedical engineering. A web of tubes and electric cords is interwoven in closed circuits through a heart-lung machine, dialysis machine, an infant incubator, a mechanical ventilator, and a cell surgery machine. The organ replacement machines operate in orchestrated loops, keeping each other alive through circulation of electrical impulses, oxygen, and artificial blood. Salted water acts as blood replacement. Throughout the artificial circulatory system, minerals are added and filtered out again. The blood gets oxygenated via contact with the oxygen cycle, and an ECG device monitors the system's heartbeat. Life support machines are extraordinary devices, computers designed to activate our bodies when anatomy fails. Although they are designed as the ultimate utilitarian appliance, they are extremely meaningful and carry a complex social, cultural, and ethical subtext. While life-prolonging technologies are invented as emergency measures to combat or delay death, my interest lies in considering these devices as a human enhancement strategy. The interpretation of anatomy with a mechanical vocabulary reflects strongly on the Western perception of the body. Defining the body as a machine, where dysfunctional parts can be replaced by mechanics, speaks of how we understand life. These objects encompass social debates about the ethics of euthanasia, the quantification of both the value and quality of life, making physical a poetic desire to conquer our own mortality. The medical machine, whether in use or not, is an object which transcends its materiality. Designed and created to perform a single, most meaningful function, we never subject these devices to a critical investigation as products within the context of material culture. This work aims to explore the nature of these devices as objects of our time, liberated from their restrained purpose while still charged with its resonance. The installation is the result of an irrational, laborious, and ambitious quest, the creation of a Frankenstein-esque system built from advanced medical equipment. Making the machines work without a body required a definition of this creature as its own species, from interpreting mechanical blood or establishing brain function replacement, to prioritizing and mapping functions of cleaning, pumping, and oxygenating, in order to construct a coherent circuit. Most of the machines were reconfigured or hacked, dumbed down in order to operate without biological matter. All machines were given new casings that exposed their inner workings and unified them as organs of the same body. The collection of machines used in this circuit, and the absence of bodily functions that do not exist in artificial form, highlight the way medical technology evolves from culture. The existing machines illustrate the Western view of lungs and heart as the center of our being, avoiding confrontation with the digestive system, which is conceptually unappealing yet biologically vital. Similarly, the cell salvage machine, developed in response to Jehovah's Witness refusal to accept blood transfusions, is an industrial artifact that blurs the boundary between technocracy and the metaphysical. By exploring the medical instruments while detached from the human body and functioning as an independent being, each electronic body part accentuates the distance between the organic and the artificial. Through the visibility of motors, electronic circuits, fluid pumps, audiovisual signals, and particularly the scale and electric exhaustion of the work, we are confronted with a stark contrast that lie in the primitive functions of precision hardware. The Immortal is occupied with the compelling and discomforting nature of these objects, the products of our attempts to conquer biology with mechanical engineering, bringing an artificial body into